Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here. It is a beautiful day outside and we've been outside enjoying this weather, getting some things done around the homestead, and everyone's getting hungry, so I'm going to pop in and make us some mackerel patties for lunch, and I'll take you along with me so you can see how I do it. Let's go. Okay, now here I have my can of mackerel. I've pulled out the bones, like, you know, this big guy here. We don't want that in there. Pulled out all of the bones of the mackerel that was in the can, and to this I'm going to add 1 egg and some crackers. So I'm going to put in about half of this pack of crackers or so. I'm going to eyeball everything. So let's go ahead and get it all mixed up. To the can of mackerel, I'm adding about 1/3 cup of onions and 1 egg, and now we're going to mix it all up. All right, now I'm going to form these into patties, about like this. I'm going to set them aside. So once I get all of these patties made, I'm going to go ahead and roll it in flour, and then I'll get to frying them. Alrighty. I've got these made into patties. I seasoned them with this soul food seasoning and also some garlic flavored Mrs. Dash. Fry them up on both sides. You want to make sure that they cook long enough since you used egg to make them. And you're going to want them to kind of be a dark golden brown on both sides. And here they are, fried mackerel patties. Thanks for watching, and remember everybody, keep your joy. See you on the next one.